Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Whoever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guides, nobody can misguide. And whoever Allah ta'ala doesn't guide, nobody can guide this individual. My brothers and sisters in Islam, I have some very sad news. A sister that I know, who I've known for over 4 years, a sister who was very much aiding the dawah, a sister who used to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a sister who was very much close to the Quran and Sunnah, has completely left Islam. She has completely denounced her religion. And Allah Musta'an is very shocking to me, because this sister is a sister who grew up in an Islamic home. This is a sister who's got Muslim family, Muslim brothers, Muslim sisters, and she's completely denounced her religion. Brothers and sisters in Islam, I urge you and I advise you, learn about Tawheed, learn about the oneness of Allah, learn about the things that Allah Ta'ala has commanded us to do, learn about the things that which Allah Ta'ala is not pleased with, learn about shirk, learn about associating partners of Allah, because Allah Ta'ala has made it clear, any sin that you commit, as long as you don't die committing shirk, Allah Ta'ala will forgive you. Now my brothers and sisters in Islam, when I look at this sister and I look at her downfall, one of her biggest downfall was her committing major sins. It got to the degree that she was committing so many sins, she started to believe that Allah Ta'ala will never forgive her. Now this is one of the biggest tricks of the shaitan. My brothers and sisters in Islam, if you don't learn your religion, these are the things what will happen to you. Many of us have been brought up in Islam. Many of us have been worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from young age, but we don't know Allah. We don't know the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Many of us pray, but we don't understand our prayer. It's just like movements up and down, but we don't understand why we pray. I urge the brothers and sisters in Islam, learn about your salah, learn how to worship Allah Ta'ala properly, and these are the ways that will keep you strong, make you understand your Tawheed, make you worship Allah Ta'ala the way He's commanded you. And I urge the brothers and sisters to make dua for this sister, that inshallah Ta'ala Allah guides her back to Islam, because it's very sad that a sister who came from a very good Islamic home, a sister who came from a very good background, could actually just after so many years leave Islam. And like I said, this is not a sister who wasn't practicing, this is a sister who used to pray 5 times a day, a sister who used to read Qur'an, a sister who used to wear a abaya, and to the degree it was a sister who used to wear niqab. So brothers and sisters in Islam, I'm going to end on this note. I urge you to learn about your religion. Don't just practice the religion blindfoldly. Many brothers and sisters message me on a day-to-day basis. People who are born in a religion, they say to me, how do I know Islam is the right religion? And these are people that will pray. These are people who have big beards, because many of them don't understand the religion. So we urge the brothers and sisters in inshallah ta'ala, learn about Tawheed and learn about the wonders of